I am Faith Santiago and today I'm going to assess your abdomen and I'm going to start by inspecting your abdomen and pwede ko po bang itaas yung damit nyo para ma-see? So I'm going to inspect your abdomen for skin color, scars, or any lesions and symmetry of your abdomen. And upon inspection, I note that your abdomen is symmetry and there's no visible abnormalities. Next po I'm going to do is auscultate your abdomen. Starting from the right lower quadrant. So upon auscultation, I heard high-pitched gurgling and cascading sounds, and I didn't hear vascular or bruise on the abdomen arteries. Next, I'm going to do is percast. So, upon percussion findings, I hear general timpani. So last is palpation. Before I'm going to palpate your abdomen, wala po ba kayong nararamdaman na sakit? So mag-start po muna ako sa light palpation. Wala po ba masakit, ma'am? Next naman po is deep palpation. Dito naman po is didiinan ko na po yung pag-palpate ko. Sabihin niyo lang po kung meron po kayo nararamdaman na sakit, ay na pain. Upon palpation, there's no tenderness and masses, and there's no organomegaly o wala pong mga enlargement ng mga organs nyo sa napalpate ko po sa abdomen nyo. Yun lang po. So, after that po, next I'm going to assess your extension and range of motion. Kayo po kayo. Stand po kayo ng straight. For 30 seconds po. Next naman po is repeat po kayo for 30 seconds while standing po. So the patient can stand while eyes are open, and the Romberg test is negative. Next one po is your neck. Susundan niyo lang po yung papagawa ko. First po, flexion ng neck. Next naman po is lateral belly. Extension ng neck, straight extension po. And other extension. Next naman yung flexion and abduction ng shoulder nyo. Tingnan nyo lang po ganito. Next naman po yung abduction and adduction ng arms nyo. Ganito lang po. Gayaan nyo lang. So next naman, tatalikod ko kayo at gagayarin ko yung ganito. See? Harap na po kayo. Next po is yung arms po ninyo. Yung tataas niyo po to. And then, lalagyan ko po ng resistant and i-flex niyo po yung arms ko. extend naman po ng arms. So, next naman po is gaganto niyo po yung arms niyo. Supination po ng arms. Pronation. Kabila po. Supination and pronation. Supination and pronation. Next naman po is yung wrist nyo. Inspect ko po and ipapalpate. I can see your wrist is both symmetric and no-lesions. And next naman po is papalpate yung anatomical snapbacks nyo. And then, flexion naman po ng wrist nyo. Gayahin nyo lang po ako. Flexion, extension, hyperextension, and deviation po. Next naman po yung fingers nyo. Flexion, extension, hyperextension, abduction, and opposition po. So, next naman yung lower extremities nyo. Pahiga po kayo sa, para nataas nyo lang po yung left side nyo po, na right side po pala, sorry. Okay po, baba po. Okay. Talagyan ko po ng wrist. Okay po, taas po. And then baba po. Sa kabila naman po, taas. Baba. And then taas po. And baba po. With bend knees naman po. Wala po bang masakit, ma? Tapos, tayo po muna kayo para po sa assess mo ng tuhod niyo po. Lakad-lakad po kayo, ma'am. Okay, balik po kayo dito. Upo po kayo, ma'am. And then, ang gagawin po is yung next naman po is yung plantar flexion ng ankle po ninyo. Ganito po, plantar flexion, dorsiflexion po, and then inversion po, and eversion. Sa kabila naman po, plantar flexion, dorsiflexion, inversion, and eversion. So thank you for participating, ma'am. So I can see that you can move freely your joints and no limitation of range of motion. Thank you, ma'am, and that concludes my assessment.